Good morning, everybody. It's Bill from Competition Cars in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. And today we're going to go over the exterior on this 1973 Beetle convertible, 42,000 miles with a very high quality restoration. Restoration was done by Roger Worthington from Hagerstown, Maryland. I am told he's very well known in the Volkswagen community and in the restoration business. I personally never heard of him, but that doesn't mean he's not well known by others. But I will say the man did a hell of a job on this car. Started with a 40,000 mile car and went through it, top to bottom, inside and out, underneath, the whole nine. And this is literally like looking at a brand new 1973 Beetle. Now, I'm going to ask for you experts to help me with this color because I'm not sure what the name is, but it's a very cool color. It has a brown fabric top with a glass back window and the beigey baseball glove colored interior, which is amazing on this car. Love the wheels, body's laser straight, paint is excellent. We did a paint correction, ceramic coated it. All the bright work looks amazing. I am told the restoration was done about 8 years ago, but there's been very little time on the road with this car, so it's definitely still very, very fresh. You can see how nice the paint is. I'm going to walk around the car and look for any flaws. There's little to no flaws on this car. Again, the bright work looks great. We've got previous titles showing, and the current title showing that it's actual miles. Look at that. We have an undercarriage video of this car as well. Again, there's zero rust on this car. And the great thing about it is the restoration was done about 8 years ago, so if there was any Bondo or substandard repairs, it'd be showing up by now. Look at the lenses, everything is crystal clear. Just shows really, really nice. We'll have more footage of the car with the top up. This car's gonna be for sale on Bring a Trailer. It's already been submitted, should be up within the next 3 to 5 days. And we'll have plenty of pictures with the top up. It looks great with that brown colored top. So there it is, guys. 73, 42,000 miles, restored by Roger Worthington from Hagerstown, Maryland. And what a job he did on this one, folks. So if you've always wanted one of these brand new, this is about as close as you're gonna get. I've had a few Beetles over the years. I've not seen one this nice. And it's nice, it's got low miles, so it wasn't like a 200,000 mile Beetle that was beat up and brought back to life. It was a very low mile Beetle that was very carefully restored in a very proper way from what I'm seeing here. So any questions, put them in the comment section and have a great day.